In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth depth blur scene change in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a soft depth blur between your clips, making the scene change feel smooth, cinematic, and natural. It works great for interviews, travel videos, documentaries, and storytelling edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for lens blur. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Blur amount controls how strong the blur effect looks. Aperture roundness controls the shape of the blur highlights, giving it a more cinematic lens look. Gain controls the brightness of the blurred highlights. Dissolve time controls how fast one clip transitions into the next. Use a shorter duration for a quick, subtle focus shift. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic blur transition. For best results, use this transition between clips with similar lighting and colors. And that's it. That's how you create a smooth depth blur scene change in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.